My brother, do you have something for us?
Me?
Yes, sir. I know you have
I'm at a
something to
loss for
share.
words this time. I am. Sorry.
Okay.
Eugene, but what you have been giving has been so great. Thank you so very much.
Thank you. It's my pleasure, everybody. Thank you.
Yeah, it's a privilege to have another scholar in residence. You see, the good thing about Africa for the Africans and the journey of a lifetime is we generate it as we grow. See, it's generative. It just doesn't exist. It's we that make it this great and wonderful, and it's still unfolding. And Eugene, what the group is saying is that all your years of study and reading all those books and all of the love for African people and your dedication and your commitment to your individual growth has enhanced us collectively, and we say Asante Sana. Thank you. And the queen, behind every strong man, there's a sister, right? Yeah. Right next to him, right? Not just behind him, in front of him, to the right of him, to the left of him. And we have our queen, our Ethiopian Makeda. Yeah. That's right. You know, it's beautiful to have our Nubian sister and our family here, and all of the expressions, and the love is strong. And to have a husband and wife couple, a family, you know, a queen team and a king team, you know what I'm saying? It's a beautiful expression. And we just say, Madasi again. If there's something you want to say, you can speak on behalf of him too.
Okay, well, I guess what I could say is my thirst for knowledge was a gift. For me, I believe it started in early childhood. My mother would read to me, you know, just on general principle. I'll ask her to read a book to me, and she would sit there for hours reading books to me, and it started from there. I started reading. I would read anything that I could find. I would just pick up a book and read it, and I actually won best reader in the 4th grade elementary school. Yeah, I was constantly reading books, reading dinosaur books, you name it, I would read it. And one thing I can say is, what I've learned among some of our people is they feel that the desire to read and learn is uncool, or you're more popular if you don't pick up a book. So those of us who have a desire to learn try to keep it to themselves, or they feel self-conscious about reading, and they are reluctant to share the knowledge. So the only thing I can say is, whatever your interest or study is, don't let anything or anybody stop you. You know, I never went to a college university, but that didn't stop me. I mean, Malcolm X, he educated himself in prison.
That's right.
The least likely place that anybody can turn themselves around. So if he can do it, us on the outside, we can definitely do it. Don't let anything or anybody stop you from learning. That's all I can tell you about that.
Thank you.
And this was
Thank you.
Powerful message. Thank you. Anyone else? Live on Revolutionary Cam, it's an opportunity to express yourself and feel that, and it's open to anyone that has something to share. So
Okay, go ahead.
I want to, on the subject of health, that's a good one for me to just give thanks and gratitude for this experience. And the motto, it's a once-in-a-lifetime experience, is so appropriate. I have so desired this coming together of information, of knowledge, of love, of bonding. All right, look, gotcha. Before I came to this experience, I was so wounded. I needed a healing. And I asked for it, and my sister shared this with me, and I asked for it. The way it was made, I didn't see a way to do it, but it was made. And through coming here, I feel I have been uplifted and healed beyond my expectation, understanding. I had no way of asking for this because I didn't what I needed. But everybody here, we just came together with such love, such support, such knowledge, such understanding. And every day I said, this is the best experience I've ever had. And the next day I said, this is the best experience I've ever had. And every day it is. And it is true. And I just want to thank you all, everybody that I have been able to share this experience with, because I do feel like I was reborn. I feel like I was revived. I do. I mean, I say revived, meaning brought back to life, because I needed to be lifted. I needed that. And just ask and receive. Be open. Because you don't know where it will come from. You don't know how. But this was such a complete, totally awesome experience, and so varied in culture, in history, in spiritual growth, personal relationship growth. I mean, I really have been reborn. I have really been changed, and I'm so glad I got renamed, because I'm not the same person going back that I was when I came, and I'm so glad.
Right. Woo! Yeah. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for sharing.
That in addition to what our sister said, it reminds me of the very first affirmation. If we can go back to the book, page 35, the very first affirmation. And I want all of us to go through again, say it 3 times. Say it 3 times. If all of us have our book ready, page 35. Are we all ready?
Yes, we are.
Okay, let's go over it. 1, go. Every day is magnificent and wonderful. And every day I'm getting better and better, and African people are getting better. Let's say it again. Every day is magnificent and wonderful, and every day I am getting better and better, and African people are getting better and better.